Oh my god, I love this makeup on myself. Glow like a goddess queen with this soft glam makeup tutorial. Stay tuned for a flawless dreamy look. I'm gonna go and start with my favorite foundation, which is Charlotte Tilbury. With a damp beauty blender, I spread it all over my face. This is something that all the time makes me happy. I'm gonna add a little bit of foundation on my neck as well. See that? That's the reason that I'm in love with this product, because even after applying too much foundation, it still looks natural and glowy. I want to use a lightweight concealer to brighten up my whole complexion. And I'm gonna add it under my eyes and on my nose, forehead. I'm gonna spread it this way. And a little bit at the back of my eyelids. I'm gonna blend it with a baby sponge. For sculpting, I'm gonna use a light brown, warm-toned bronzer, and I'm gonna put a little bit at the back of my hand to get rid of the extra amount. And with a dabbing technique, I'm gonna apply that bronzer. And then I'm gonna set my bronzer. And as for the blush, I'm gonna add some Pinky Wing to my cheeks. I'm gonna apply it under my eye as well to create a lifted look. Brushing my eyebrows for a clean look. And then creating light strokes. For my eyes, I'm gonna apply a little bit of highlighter to create a beautiful soft glam. Just a little bit under the eyebrows. At the center of my lids. I'm gonna take a little bit of the same highlighter for my bones as well. These amazing lashes are good for today's makeup. Just gonna add a coat of mascara for a better dewy finish. My lower lash line. I'm gonna add an eyeliner as well. Just close your eyes and draw a small line of eyeliner. Gonna slightly overline my lips with a lip liner. Now I add a pink lip balm for extra glam. That's the soft glam makeup tutorial that I was talking about, and today's video's focus was on dewiness. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to support me by subscribing and liking this video, and share your thoughts in comments below. Bye!